So this vlog today is kind of different because it's all about gadget review. So this is the first time that I'm posting something to do with a gadget, and what I have here is the so-called this is called the heavy duty universal 360 degrees rotational GoPro mount. So the purpose of this is to be able to put your GoPro um, or attach your GoPro to your handlebar and shoot videos without the hassle of your camera falling, shaking or just being unstable. So this works really well. I tried it. Hello, hello puppies. Hello, tuki tuki. Wait, puppies. Hello, puppies. So it rotates easily, but it's also tight. So there's no problem when it comes to shaking or going on a different angle. So I really love it to the point that I'm singing along to a song, and we go crossing a busy street. Always makes me feel nervous. I mean, something that I'll never probably get over, but you need to try because you choose cycling in the first place, right? But I'm glad this time I was able to do it with less effort and no embarrassment whatsoever. But in the past, gosh, I would always uh, I would always walk, okay, because it used to scare me a lot. But like they said, practice, 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 and that's where you'll be able to improve your confidence when you're on the road. So that's it. Just hope that um, you find this interesting, and I would suggest that when you do bike blogging, you need a mount to be able to do that. So I'm really glad that I have this 360-degree mount. Have a great day.